In case you have an APK file that you downloaded or it was sent to you, but whenever you're trying to install it, you encounter app not installed error, then in this video, I'm going to take you through 7 different solutions on how you can fix app not installed problem. So in case it's your first time, this is Alpha Media UG and I upload tech videos weekly. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I make a new video. So usually the first solution is for you to clear cache on Google Play Store, Google Play Services, and also Package Installer. And to do so, you're going to open your phone settings and then you follow the on-screen instructions that I will be giving you. So you're going to open your phone settings, then under settings, you scroll and select app management. So under app management, you select app list. So now in the app list, we are going to start with Google Play Store. You can either type on the search bar or you can scroll and select it manually because they are all arranged alphabetically. So you go to G, then you open Google Play Store. So then under that you go to storage, then you clear cache. So after that you go back to the app list and then now you're going to select Google Play Services. So you click on it, then still from there you also go ahead and select storage and cache, then you clear cache. Then thirdly you go back to the app list still, but this time you click on the 3 dots at the top right corner, then select show system. So under that now you're going to search for package installer. So it is usually the one with the highest number of MBs if yours appear like this. Then you select storage and cache, then you clear cache. So that is the first solution. So for some, after performing those 3 steps, they will be able to install their APKs. But in case you are not able to, then the next solution is for you to allow installation of unknown apps. So to do so, you're going to open your phone settings, then you go to app management. So under app management, you'll be able to see other different options. So that is permission manager, special app access. So when you open permission manager, there are no changes that you're going to make there. So you go and select special app access. Then under that you select install unknown apps. Then you select the app that you use for installing your APK or use for downloading. So for instance, I will select Chrome because this is usually what most people use for downloading their APKs. And then you allow installation of unknown apps. Then now the other third solution is for you to disable Google Play Protect. To do so, you open your Play Store app, then from there you click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then you select Play Protect, then you select on the settings icon at the top right corner and then you disable. You turn off Play Protect settings, but you can turn on after installing your app. So then the other very important solution is for you to ensure that you free up storage on your device, because sometimes having insufficient storage makes it impossible for you to install additional apps or APKs. So you can uninstall the apps that you're not using or delete the files that you no longer need so that you're able to free up storage. Then the final solution is for you to restart your device. So restarting is to ensure that all these changes apply and you will be able to install your app. So thanks for watching. You can check these other videos and don't forget to share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos.